from time to time, trade ideas, have a competition, like a challenge. So you can roll up, you can, if you win some prize. I did. Once I was the first. Yeah, I will show you. I was the first, and I won like ball. It will also change the same symbol on my dust trading chart, which is amazing. I mean, again, it's different than the other scanners, right? And again, shout out to you, Trade Ideas. Well done for this. Is you see here, so at the moment it's mute because I'm talking to you, but when you unmute this, and let's say ELPW make a new high, I will hear on my headset like ELPW, and there is a ton of things. You can also use Trade Ideas if you want to trade. Through the Trade Ideas, you can connect your broker. I know that Interactive Brokers is working very well. Right, so this one will be about the Trade Ideas, the scanning and alerting tool that I personally use. And shout out to Trade Ideas. They are doing really great job. I really like Trade Ideas, and I would say this is something that is closest to any professional. And I know a lot of retail traders are using this one. In fact, I know that some of the professional prop firms like S&P Capital is also using Trade Ideas, right? So this is like the closest tool that you can have for the cheaper price, let's say like that, right? So now what I want to go to, I want to like show some stuff that you can use, and like some stuff that I use. So let me go to the first one, right? So what you can see, what you're seeing here is some basic stuff. They have charts, they have scanners, they have alerts. In this case, this is my scanner, and you can customize this one. This is something that is brilliant about the Trade Ideas, guys, is that you can customize your own scanners, your own alerts, right? So it will be only whatever you want. Like you can put your own criteria, right? So in this case, I have pre-market scanner, right? I have some liquidity trap day one alert, and I have a couple of other stuff. But for now, let's focus on this one. So what I have is I have pre-market scanner, I have intraday scanner, like during the open hours, and then I have the aftermarket scanner, like the closing hours. So you can put your own criteria, and it's easy to do. So basically, let's start with that one actually. So if you go to new and you go to alert window, for example, you already have some pre-built scanners, which is amazing. This is something that Trade Ideas team built up, and you can play around, you can check, and there's explanation as well. So this is amazing. So if you don't want to go and build yourself, you can use the one that they already have. Like they have bullish one, bearish one, neutral one, etc. So hold one. I also use the hold alert window. So I want to see during the trading hours the stocks that are getting hold, right? So if you want to build from scratch to customize, you can go here, choose the category, right? They have a tons, and then you go and you search and you add whatever you want. If you want to search, you can just type like low, high, etc. Right? From there, you will build. Like here, you have the window. It's a filter. Then you can put your criteria, right? So that will create a scanner for you. You can also create the alert, the separate one. Let's say you just want to see stuff that have, I don't know, let's say above $500 million market cap. You can have the Windows name, customize by you called 50 billion or above market cap, and it will only show you that, right? So what is amazing about the trade idea is guys, and shout out to them, you're doing the great job. Please, trade ideas team, just keep doing it. And this is a great way to see which country belong to this symbol, right? To this stock. So like in this case, you can see that ELPP is China, right? Because there is a China flag. Also, it's cool thing what you can see, you know, with chart is amazing, by the way. You can see, let's say, yeah, so you have like basic stuff like cash flow, share float, market cap, shared outstanding, all those stuff. But also if there is any upcoming earnings, you will see here it will like pop up like a small, you know, small thing here. It will say like in 5 days there is a earnings, which is amazing. Also, you can put the alarms, which, you know, let's say you want to be alerted when the price hits $7, and you just put like here, you say go long or whatever, you know, and then you just put like price at 7, save. It will create automatically a alert, and when you hit the 7 you will be alerted. Other stuff that you have here, which is amazing, you can have the details, right? Then you can see here something more about basically the stuff that are here, but like more down here. Then you can see like float, cash, dollar volume, market cap, shares outstanding, all those stuff. You have a very, very cool sections about the news. Actually, I'm using this one, so you can see the latest news and all those stuff. You just click and it will land you to the page. Then you have the profile of the business. You can read more about the business, right? So let's say like this one, it's also China, and you know, also you have like a website, so you can go and check their website if you want. uh if you want something, like there is ton of things. You can also use trade ideas if you want to trade. Through the trade ideas, you can connect your broker. I know that Interactive Brokers is working very well. Me personally, I'm using DAS Trader, but uh if you're a fan, you can test it. Also, the cool stuff about the trade ideas, guys, and this is something that I'm giving up for a free, is that you can customize. And as you can see, you see that I have the red color here, and it's not by accident, right? So I made it. I specifically created to be a red, and my intention was, so my criteria is I don't short nano float. So in this case, anything that is less than 2 million, I don't want to short. So what I did is I created a rule to show me a red color if it's below 2 million. So I don't waste my energy, my focus, my mental capital on checking the float, going to the details, you know, and stuff like that. So another cool thing is, and this is the reason why I'm using the trade ideas, first of all, because it's different than the other scanners, right? And again, shout out to you, trade ideas, well done for this. Is you see here, so at the moment it's mute because I'm talking to you, but when you unmute this, and let's say ELPW make a new high, I will hear on my headset like ELPW, and I don't need to spend time looking at the at this window, right, and be like mentally focused on this one. Instead, I can be focused on my charts, on tape, on whatever. I can save my mental capital, and when I hear ELPW, I just go on DAS, type, and check. Also, I will have this window on my side. Remember, I have like a couple of the screens at my trading station. So I will on one side I will have trade ideas, and I will see, like, if I see the red, I stop with checking, right? I don't want to spend my mental capital. But if it's not red, I go and check, right? So that's why I have that. It's a cool rule, it's a cool feature, and shout out to them by the time, but it's amazing. Also, one very cool feature, and this is something that Trade Ideas team helped me to set it up. I was not aware of this one. Is this one? So it's called the external linking, right? So basically, guys, what you can do here, the moment I don't have a Dust Trader open up, but you can click on add link, and then you hold shift. You see, when I hold shift, this change. When you hold shift and then you click on something, it will link that to that. So in this case, you hold shift, click on chart on Dust Trader, and when you click OK, you will see here like a new external linking, right? So this means every time when I click on a ticker or on a symbol, it will also change the same symbol on my Dust trading chart, which is amazing. I mean, again, shout out to whoever built these guys. Amazing job. Trade ideas. Thank you. So, and again, guys, there is a ton of other features, but this video is specifically for you know, scanning and alerting. So please use my referral link. I will put it down. Use it because I really want to recommend them to you guys. So any questions, you can reach out to the customer support. They will reply instant. The funny and the interesting story is they from time to time Trade Ideas have a competition, like a challenge. So you can roll up, you can, if you win, you win some prize. I did. I once I was the first. Yeah, I will show you. I was the first, and I won like I think it was years actually of the free subscriptions. So shout out to them. Also, I got like 2.5K of Amazon gift card to spend on whatever you want. Amazing. But most of the thing why I use the Trade Ideas competition or challenge thing is to learn and get familiar with the platform, right? So you can use it for a free. If you want to use my link, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys, and have a good one. Bye.